Hello, I'm Marissa from Marissa Rocks It. Welcome to Design by Geeks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this kitty face gift box. This is perfect for any cat lover. The link to buy this SVG pattern is in the video description. As always, start by cutting out all of your pieces on your cutting machine. There's the box, the face, the stripes, the inner ear pieces, the nose, and the background color for the eyes, mouth, and whiskers. Now, if your box color is already the color you want for the facial features, you can skip cutting this piece. However, since I have my box as the same color as my face, I do want a different color behind these eye, nose, and whisker cutouts. You're going to start by pre-folding the box along the score lines. Next, assemble your face. If you are using the background color, you're going to do that first by gluing it behind the face piece to the bottom. And you just want to check that from the front to make sure that no black extends around the outer edge of the face. Next, you're going to glue the ears, nose, and stripes to the face. So just center the inner ear to the inside of the earpiece. Make sure when you're gluing down the nose that it stays centered and that it's not crooked. And then the stripes can just go at the top of the head if you want your cat to have stripes. These are optional. The longest stripe is the center stripe, and that's going to go in the middle. And then the two shorter stripes can go on each side. And again, space those evenly when you're doing the two side stripes. Once the face is dry, we can glue that to the front of the box. When we're putting glue on the back of the face, just don't put any glue on the ears because those are meant to stay sticking up. Now we're going to make the box shape. We're going to place glue on this small side tab here. And then we're going to glue it to the opposite side of the box. And you just want to hold that in place until your glue holds. Next, we're going to bring these two sides together so that they meet in the middle. If you can see, I'm going to bring them to the middle and they form a point. I like to put a small dot of glue so that they stay together for the next step. That just makes the next step a little bit easier. Got a teeny little dot of glue at one of the points. And I'm going to bring them together again. I'm just going to hold those points together until that little dot of glue dries. That's really going to help you in your next step. So next, I'm going to be placing glue on these angled tabs at the front and at the back so that we can bring our back and front together to meet them. So you just bring that back side to meet those angled tabs where the glue is and press that in place until your glue holds. And then we're going to repeat that for the front side of the box. And I'm going to press those tabs from the inside so that the glue will stick to the front of the box. All right, once the glue is set, you can now fill your box. And then to close the box, you're going to bring down these two tabs and close the lid. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.